I wanted to show you here what type of plumbing supply lines we were using on this job here for this basement. Just got a close-up here. This is half-inch PEX. It's not copper, it's not PVC, it's not CPVC, it is called PEX. It's a newer type of supply system that has been developed, and it's a couple of years old. Well, it's 2010 now. We're talking PEX has been around for at least the last 6-7 years. It's very simple to use. You can pull it through walls just like you pull wire through walls. Here's some electrical wire going through there, but the PEX is very flexible, and you can see it goes up here and it bends around and right up into the ceiling. And we tied one of the lines in there, one of the cold lines right there. We went up and we actually tied it in to the copper. See, we used a special T, half-inch PEX T, to tie into some half-inch copper to bring the cold water down. And we continued on down with another piece of half-inch through the ceiling and up into the floor joist up there. And you can see we tied in another PEX T up there for the hot water. You see we've got it going left and right, and coming in there off the T is the hot line that's going back to the bar. And this stuff's very easy to run. There's no soldering required. I just showed you a tie-in, but here's two more tie-ins up here. There you've got a hot and cold tie-in to the home's existing copper using those special PEX fittings. They're so easy to do. You just cut the copper and those fittings just push right on. There's no soldering, there's no threading anything. It's just, you just push and go, and absolutely no leaks if it's done correctly. So we've pretty much switched over to PEX for most of our basement projects. I'm going to take a walk over here into the bathroom and show you what we did over here at the shower. Now we're all plumbed in right here with our shower valve, and you can see we've got the hot water to the right side of the valve, and we've got the cold line coming in on the right side of the valve, and coming out of the top in PEX we've got the what'll be the shower head line coming up. Alright, and over here we've got the PEX line coming in the hot side and the cold side coming into the shutoff valves. And then we used a special fitting here, one of the PEX T's, to bring the cold water through the wall and down over here to what will be the toilet supply. Half-inch PEX, you can use. They make it in 3/4 as well, and it's very easy to use. And the reason I love it is it's flexible. You save on fittings. Copper is very expensive. 10 foot of copper right now, heavy gauge copper, is about $15 for a piece. I've got all this PEX for about $60, so it's about a third of the cost to run all your plumbing in PEX lines. And the tie-ins and the fittings are very easy to do. You can see that we've got some more tie-ins up there. We're pulling the sink line hot and cold down right up there. You can see we have some more of those T's. And you can see to the right side of the teeth, those black rings just clamp right down over top of the brass fitting, over top of the PEX with a special tool, and you get absolutely no leaks. It's so simple to use. And we're showing you how we actually make these connections later on in this plumbing video for the PEX.